Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites and taking the first actionable steps. You must verify the target host IP, subnet mask, and gateway to avoid routing mistakes. Next, make sure you have admin or root access and the network interface name handy. Once that is done, update firewall rules to permit the specific UDP ports you plan to use, both inbound and outbound. This prevents blocked packets later. Finally, document the port list so you won't guess during configuration steps that follow. You now configure the core UDP parameters on the host and in the application. Begin by editing the service or application config to bind UDP sockets to the correct IP and ports. This controls where packets arrive. Then set socket options like reseater, appropriate receive buffer sizes, and sensible timeouts to handle bursts. Make sure to adjust MTU or fragmentation settings if you plan to send large datagrams, because UDP does not retransmit fragments for you. You finish by validating the configuration and stepping through practical tests. Restart the UDP service and confirm listeners with Netstat or SS so you see bound IPs and ports. Then generate test traffic using iperf or netcat to verify throughput and packet behavior. Monitor logs, and use TCP dump to inspect live UDP frames. If tests fail, prioritize checking firewall logs, MTU mismatches that drop large datagrams, and accidental port collisions from other services. Make incremental changes and retest until packets flow reliably.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.